to, or you'll stay together. Breaking up is hard to do. It's like one of the hardest things in the world to do for some people. Other people have no problem with it. They just ghost people. Have you ever met a ghoster, like someone who ghosts you? Or ghosts just, they just disappear out of your life? Have you ever met someone like that? Nobody? Oh, can we be friends? Oh my gosh. People ghost me. I don't know what it is. But they ghost. I have a lot of people that said they've just ghosted me. Don't read too much into it. I'm likable. I'm a good friend. They're not. Anyhow, if you're thinking about breaking up with somebody, or maybe you don't want to, but they're pushing you a bit too far, or something, you can send this song as a smoke signal. Oh no no, whoa. I am not a bird, I'm a murder of birds, shifting my shape when your tongue forms the words, like I hate you when I love you the most, love you the most, love you the most. And the shape of a snake in a defensive coil, the same retracted lips of the one foolish girl, says she hates you and she loves you the most, loves you the most, loves you. And I've got demons when I need them. Don't ask to see them, they're not supposed to be used against you. Oh, can we build a safe house far from the bitter bride, and we'll make a home with a brown recluse and the cobra locked outside. To the spider we'll give a web, to the cobra lullaby. In keeping the demons happy, you made free for me to fly, in the shape of home-baked bread, and a girl in a turned-down bed, and a wick of twisted thread from the loving words you've said. Oh no, ah, no, no, no. Oh no, no, and I think I'm alone in this. Are you for grace? For you unleash your mood and I'm no longer safe. I say I hate you and I love you the most, love you the most, love you the most. And the shape of my breast and the shape of my kiss, demon and coil with a slither and hiss. They say I hate you and I love you the most, love you the most, love you. And I've got demons when I need them. Don't ask to see them, they're not supposed to be used against you. Ooh, oh, oh. Can we build a safe house far from the bitter bride, and we'll make a home with a brown recluse and the cobra locked outside. To the spider we'll give a web, to the cobra lullaby. In keeping the demons happy, you make free for me to fly, in the shape of home-baked bread, and a girl in a turned-down bed, and a wick of twisted thread the shape of homemade bread, and a girl in a turned down bed, and a wake of twisted thread from the loving words you've said. Oh no no, ha no 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 no, ha no no no, ha no no no, oh no no. No, no, I don't. 'Cause I